Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will tell you how you can save WhatsApp contacts by simply QR code. Before this I request you to kindly subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. So let's start. If you want to save WhatsApp contacts by simply QR code, you have to click on three dots on your WhatsApp. If you click on three dots and after that you click on settings, then you will find all the settings related to WhatsApp. On top of that you will find an option related to QR code. If you click on QR code, then you will get a QR code from which your friends can easily scan and save your WhatsApp contacts easily without saving your phone number on their device. Similarly, if you want to save your friends WhatsApp number by simply QR code, then you can easily click on scan code and you can save your WhatsApp of your friends easily by scanning their QR code. Hope you have liked this information. If you are new to this channel, kindly like this video, share this video, subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so that you can get the notification of our latest videos.